O, diddorol. Diolch yn fawr.
A sôn am ddiddorol...
Na. Hwyanger.
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 Reit te. Ti'n iawn, Siôn? Ti'n iawn am hyn?
Why are we sitting together?
Wel, dyn ni wedi rhoi'r dysgwyr ar y soffa yna.
Don't put him in my league.
The persecuted ones.
He's free goal now. Get over there.
Right, o'n i'n meddwl, beth fysa neis, fysa ni gyd yn cael sing-song bach gyda'n gilydd, achos yn amlwg, mae canu yn helpu i ni ddysgu, ac mae hi'n gan fach neis. Dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n bwysig bod pobl Cymru yn gwybod y gan yma. Iawn, mae'n hyfryd.
O, pwysig iawn.
Pwysig, yndi, yn union. Reit te, felly, doedd Siôn ddim yn gwybod y geiriau, felly ar ôl heddiw fyddi ti'n gwybod y geiriau, Siôn. Dwi'n mynd i basio hwn i chi, iawn, i chi gael dilyn, iawn.
Do you know this one?
Reit, dyna ti yn Eistedd, y Deryn di.
Dyna ti yn Eistedd yn y Deryn ti.
Yes, so y Deryn di. So there you are sitting, little blackbird.
Oh, Deryn D is blackbird, isn't it? I've heard that before.
Brenin y goedwig fawr wyt ti.
Brenin y goedwig, come on. A
goedwig
fawr
go for it.
Brenin y goedwig.
Come on.
It's like yn ôl na'r ysgol,
I
Siôn.
said that under my breath.
Falsetto or...
Yeah.
Felly, beth ydi brenin? Ti'n gwybod? Ti'n cofio diwrnod i'r brenin? Brenin... King.
King.
That was my crown.
Okay.
You're the king of the forest, iawn. Can, Deryn. Can, Deryn. Sing. Come on, blackbird,
Come on, blackbird, sing.
Dyna un hardd wyt ti.
Dyna un hardd wyt ti. Brilliant. How was that? Was that good?
Gwych. Right, dim bach o views.
That was it.
Great.
Now ni ddangos i chi. We'll show you how it's done, boys.
Come on, Siôn. Okay.
Falle, ie.
A wedyn gyda'i gilydd?
Yeah, a wedding.
We can pretend.
We come in verse 2, yeah?
Na, dim ond un sydd. Dim ond un sydd. Okay. Dyna pam.
This is like Britain's Got Talent with the judges.
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Dyna ti yn Eistedd y Deryn di, brenin y goedwig fawr wyt ti. Can, Deryn, dyna un hardd wyt ti.
That was very good. That was
Brilliant.
really good,
That's so
actually,
good.
yeah. So good.
I don't
You don't want
think
to
it needs to be
spoil
done again.
No, we won't want to spoil it, will we,
boys.
Siôn?
Put on in, right now. Ti'n barod?
Okay, Siôn, in the name of Dusky.
Let's do it.
In the name of Dusky.
do it.
For you lot
Feel
up
your
there.
pain and do it
Cue
anyway.
karaoke lyrics.
Iawn.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Dyna ti yn Eistedd y Deryn di, brenin y goedwig fawr wyt ti. Can, dyna un hardd wyt ti.
Yeah, we rocked it. You.
Da,
Were you singing?
Oh, no.
O'n i'n gwneud y ddwywaith.
That was something else. I hope you all appreciate what we just went through for you lot, learning your Welsh.
Hyd a lledrith, magic, boy.
Magic. That's how I learn Welsh on the show. Diolch yn fawr, Nia. And this is how you can practice your Welsh. Ymarfer your Cymraeg.
Ie, dyma'r digwyddiadur.